Introducing the Advin Laparoscopic Monopolar Electrode Hook Spatula, a versatile electrosurgical instrument designed for cutting and coagulating tissues in minimally invasive procedures. The dual hook and spatula design allows surgeons to switch easily between precise dissection and broad coagulation. Crafted from medical-grade stainless steel with superior insulation, it ensures safety, durability, and effective energy delivery. The ergonomic handle provides comfort and control, supporting efficient performance.